In this video, we're going to show you to install an engine torque strut on your Ford Explorer located on the bottom side of the engine. On the bottom side of the engine, you're going to locate your torque strut right here. It anchors the engine to the subframe unit. There are two 15mm bolts. We're going to use our socket and ratchet to go ahead and loosen this. Now I'm using a swivel head ratchet to go ahead and get around that exhaust. Now I'm going to switch over to a gear wrench due to the clearance on the top here. I'm going to use a pry bar on the bottom here and gently work this out. Install our forward bolt here. Now when installing the torque strut, you want to make sure that the rubber gasket is on the passenger side. Now that we have that bolt started, I'm going to go ahead and run that in a bit. Before we tighten down the forward mounted bolt, let's go ahead and get the rear bolt installed. Now we went ahead and ran our bolt through our wire wheel machine, cleaned up the old threads, got off the, cleared off all of the old blue Loctite. Then we applied some fresh blue Loctite. With that threaded in, let's go ahead and snug that down. And we'll snug down the front one. Let's go ahead and torque down our two bolts to 52 foot-pounds. Once you have these torqued, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.